again, I didn't want to have so much like cover crystals because I still want the beautiful look of that chrome flake. But however, if you want to cover more, I think it looks super stunning and cute as well. Can I please have the tray? Maybe tray and I can see better. Yo, can I get a tray? Can I get the tray, please? And you can do any colors combinations with that look. I think it's gonna look so cute no matter what you're doing with this. You will never go wrong with that. You can do 2 beads, or you can do 3 beads. You can do 1. It's really depending on what you want. It look like I have a silver one. You can do the chandelier as right close to the cuticles, or you can have it connecting to one of your big crystal centerpiece. You can use either way. Hey, can you read comments for me, Yo? Keep you busy from them. I think the lighting is so bad. Can you see?
It's not. Your phone just died.
All right. I just want to make sure everyone see okay. I'm gonna put some beads on it, but I try not to get too many crystals, which is usually I love to. But today is the main stage is chrome and flake. Great, so I'm gonna key this one for 60 seconds. Before that, wipe this off. There you go.